Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle vegetables step by step. Begin by sterilizing jars and preparing a simple brine of vinegar, water, salt, and sugar. Chop vegetables evenly and pack them tightly in jars with garlic and spices. Bring the brine to a gentle simmer and pour it over the vegetables, leaving a little headspace. Seal jars while hot and let them cool before refrigerating for best flavor. Choose spices and aromatics that match your taste and the vegetables you pickled. Toast whole spices briefly to unlock their aroma, then add them to jars or the brine so flavors infuse properly. Use fresh herbs for a lively finish and dried spices for longer shelf life. Taste and adjust heat with chili flakes or fresh peppers, remembering that flavors meld over time for a more balanced pickle. Decide whether you want quick refrigerator pickles or long shelf-stable canned pickles. For quick pickles, pour hot brine over packed jars, cool, and refrigerate for immediate snacking. For canning, process sealed jars in a boiling water bath per safe guidelines so they store without refrigeration. Label jars with contents and date, then wait a few days for flavors to develop before enjoying your crunchy homemade pickles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.